Investing in clean energy stocks can provide big returns, especially in inexpensive shares. Getting rich via clean energy stocks requires a bit of risk and a bit of luck. Fuel Tech. Fuel Tech is a well-run industrial clean energy firm that can triple from here. Broadwind. Broadwind makes blades and other components, seeing strong demand for its products. Emeren Group. The former ReneSola is a pure-play solar energy firm worth buying right now. Let's dive in. Here are the 3 breakthrough clean energy stocks that can make you rich. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Number 1. Fuel Tech. Fuel Tech is a small company with less than 100 employees. However, it is among the top small-cap clean energy stocks, trading for $1.25, but with a whopping price target of $4 per share. That target price implies a triple up in value over the next 12 to 18 months, if analysts are correct. The company works to make industrial machinery more efficient through the optimization of combustion systems, emissions control, and via water treatment. Fuel Tech's results speak volumes about the company. In the first quarter, the company's revenue grew by 32% to $7.3 million. Additionally, Fuel Tech's net loss narrowed to $0.4 million from $1 million a year earlier. The company boasts $33.8 million in cash and no long-term debt. In March, the Environmental Protection Agency ruled that it would reduce nitrogen oxides from power plants and other industrial plants in 23 states. Fuel Tech is engaged in meaningful talks with utility and industrial clients in connection to that ruling. In short, it's growing quickly, has no debt, and appears to be on the brink of breaking even with future growth prospects immediately ahead. It's seemingly a solid company overall. Yet, at the same time, it isn't exciting, which could impact its ability to attract investor capital. Number 2. Broadwind. Broadwind is a componentry fabricator that covers the renewables and non-renewable sectors. On the clean energy front, it works in wind power, producing 100-meter wind turbine towers. What's encouraging about Broadwind is that its share price could roughly double if analyst price targets are correct. That said, shares of Broadwind stock have traded all over the place over the last few years. Shares peaked above $11 in 2021, fell to $2 by 2022, and doubling again since then. The term volatility certainly comes to mind when thinking about stocks like Broadwind. However, volatility, as dangerous as it is, can be your friend when the market turns around. Broadwind also makes parts used in conveyors, cranes, and gears. Overall, the company's revenues increased by 17% to $48.9 million in the first quarter. Management expects that 2023 sales should be between $205 to $220 million. Demand seems to be strong at Broadwind as the company grew its backlog by $170.7 million to $287.8 million. Number 3. Emeren Group. Emeren Group, the company formerly known as ReneSola, is a pure-play solar company. Emeren is developing projects globally with operations in Europe, North America, and China. That diversity in operations is arguably a reason to consider investing in Emeren Group stock. There are other compelling reasons as well. Emeren is especially interesting as it relates to its momentum relative to other clean energy stocks. Although revenues were flat in 2022, growing just 2% year over year to $81.4 million, the fourth quarter was strong. That quarter accounted for $40.8 million in sales. Not only was that a 79% increase year over year, but it also accounted for more than half of 2022 revenues. Emeren Group boasts a large pipeline of projects measured at more than 3 gigawatts, 2.1 gigawatts of which is in Europe. Its pipeline stood at 2.1 gigawatts in 2021, so it effectively grew by 50% in 2022. Rapid growth combined with a rapidly growing industry can produce strong results in a short period of time. Further, Emeren Group produced a $1.6 million net loss in fourth quarter 2021. That became a $4.8 million net gain 12 months later. It's a high upside solar stock that could truly produce strong long-term returns for investors. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.